Welcome to Digital Skills Kenya. My name is Bwari and I teach practical digital skills to help you get jobs, grow your business, or work for yourself online. Everything I show you here is free or low cost and definitely built for Kenyans. So today we are going to talk about building a LinkedIn banner, um, just like the one that's on the screen right now. This is what we're going to create from Canva for free. We'll go from our LinkedIn looking very blank on the banner to having a very professional LinkedIn banner that gives our information even before the recruiters look at our profile. So if you've been following along, um, we've already done the CV and the cover letter, and we've also done the portfolio. So the LinkedIn banner is the final piece. It ties your whole job application presence together. Links to all the previous videos are in the description. So let's get into it. So we will start with Canva. Make sure you select, this is canva.com, select templates and type in LinkedIn banner. So once you do that, you will receive search results and you can scroll down to see the number of LinkedIn banners that are available for free and for a subscription on Canva. So we will look at we will try to choose the free ones. These are all different types of banners. Um, this one is actually a pro feature. So if you can pay for Canva, you have, of course, more options for yourself. So I will select a very simple one and try to match the brand colors to what we did in the CV and the cover letter for Amina. So here we go. We open the template. Um, there we go. So first things first is I will try to change the colors to look at our to look similar to what we have done in the CV and the cover letter, just to kind of be in brand and look professional. So I'll go to my CV, the one that we did I'll open it on Canva, and then I'll select, I can see the gray, so I think the gray makes a good background. So what I will do, yes, I will click this gray area and select the color circle right up there. So that's where you change colors on your template. So when you hover around the one that has a purple border, you will see a number, a code actually. So write down that code so that you can be able to get the exact color for the banner that we're making. Do the same for the golden part. It's kind of brown, kind of golden. Write down the code so that the colors can be branded all throughout your online presence. It just helps in looking professional. Yeah, so write both of those codes down. Come here, select the background, and then you'll see they're all color coded. But what you do is you will type in the code that we have just written down. So write it, and then you'll see the first one is always the exact search result for the color. Select it, and you'll see the background. Our background has changed for this banner that we're making. So I will select the letters on the side and text color. Look at the one with the purple border. Um, Type in, to make sure you've selected the right one, type in the code of the color from the previous design, and then you come here, select the first search result, and then you select change all so that both letters get changed. Okay, perfect. So there we go. Our colors are looking the same across the board, and I think this is a very nice minimalist design. So what's next is to change the wording on our template. So of course, this is for Amina Odhiambo. I couldn't type her three names because of course there is no space. She has uh, a lot of letters in her name. And down here we will say virtual assistant. Perfect. So after that we will come and change these letters that are on the side that are making our design. Yeah. So just select and type. It will now be AO instead of Olivia Wilson. It will be Amina Odhiambo. So A, um, now you can see the A is kind of disappearing. It's not visible as a letter. So what you'll do is select it and then press the up arrow button, and you'll see it move up very gently. So that's what we're doing here. We're moving the A up until you can see that it is resembling a letter A. Do the same for the W. And the O, you don't need to move the O because the O is clear. It is an O. And it's something nice to put on your profile. It's of course not necessary, but it's necessary if you want to look professional. Next, we will add a text box, and this text box is for adding the skills that Amina is good at or wants to highlight on her profile. So what we will do is we will make sure it looks similar to the sorry, it looks similar to the virtual assistant font and size and style. So you copy the style and then you paste. So now it looks very similar, even the font size, font shape, the bold or the italics or whatever, they all look the same. So that's how you copy a style. And then I'll come here and look at her on the CV and look at her skills. I'll choose three at random, but for you who's creating your CV, choose the three that you want to highlight. So I'll come here and I will say admin, of course, customer service, and social media. Yes, so those are the skills that Amina would like to highlight on her LinkedIn right before anyone reads her profile. Yeah, so just here checking if the alignment is in place, if everything is looking okay, the spacing is well done. So yeah, I think we're good to go. So next would be to save. So of course, if you remember what we did in our last videos, just type in the name, Odhiambo, or however you're going to remember your file name when you have it. I'll just do a simple Odhiambo LinkedIn banner, and then now we can go to saving the document. So just click share, download, and you'll see PNG. PNG is good enough. Just download as is, and then you'll be able to see your banner as an image file downloaded to your desktop. So here we are. This is how it looks. Your picture will be around here somewhere. Yeah. So with that, your LinkedIn banner is done. This is just how it's going to look like. This is just a mock profile. And yeah, so let's do a quick recap of what we've done so far. So we have picked a free Canva template. We have customized it with your name and role. We have generated a skills tagline and uploaded it straight to LinkedIn, all for free and under 10 minutes. Now, if you've been following along in this series, you know that you now have a professional CV, a cover letter, a job portfolio, and a LinkedIn banner. That is a complete professional job application presence. It's built from scratch using free tools, and you should be very proud of that. So, I'd love to see what you created. I would love to engage with you in the comments. You can drop maybe a picture or what's it called, a link to the banner that you've created or your documents that you've created. You can also reach out to me if you need any help creating any of these documents that we've talked about. And if you have any questions, also drop them in the comments, and it will be my pleasure to answer them. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow so that I can keep making these tutorials. And if you know someone who's job hunting right now, share this video with them. So Next in the channel, we're going to be moving on to the small business part of things. I'll be showing you how to design a professional price list on Canva. Perfect, it's perfect for freelancers and small business owners here in Kenya, so stay tuned for that. I'm Bwari, and thank you for watching Digital Skills Kenya. I'll see you in the next one.